I got scared for a little bit. You didn't need to, you know, get dressed up all like that. You just needed to give me 5 minutes. Oh, he's... Oh, these are so creepy! They are so creepy! Whoa! What the fuck? No! No! No, they did not. They did not do this. When did this game come out? They did not do this to Silent Hill fans. They did not dare to do this. 2004? Oh, I'm sorry. Oh, I'm sorry. No. It doesn't even look like a woman. Do you want to tell us something? Something, Henry? Yeah? It has, like, man legs. And, like, the physique was also... Here to, tell us about what you think, Henry. I'm pretty sure the monsters usually are a reflection of some sort of frustration in our minds. With James, it was, you know, sexy, hot ladies. Tell us what, you know, it's fine. We're really open-minded in here. Happy Pride. It was last month. A little bit late, but... Happy Pride, Henry. We're so proud of you. Not for the murder thing that you were doing, but like the rest of it. Pretty sure. Pretty sure there's something to be proud about in you. So I came from here. So is it this one? Ugh. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. Bro. What is this game? Help me, Lord. Help me, Lord. I can't with this. I'm gonna get killed and I'm not even taking it seriously. Oh my Lord, what is this? Am I playing an indie game? I'm playing an indie game, everybody. This one is the only good sound. What? They couldn't do this sound before? They have a pee-pee! They couldn't do this sound as we stabbed them? You know, what? Who? Are they pregnant? No way. Wait, give me a second. What is that thumb in their belly? What is happening? Nobody thought about giving them a... I can't hold anymore. I want to speak... Who's the team behind this? Oh. I want to speak to the manager. No way. No! What have you done to my Silent Hill? What have you done? Why are you guys not dead? Okay. What is this? Okay, go fast, go fast. We need to step on them. We need to step on them. Okay. No.
I'm running through the meadow. Flowers that speak to me.